Platypod's new multi-accessory kit features a round Arca-compatible plate. Look at how this new design beats what you're used to. First, because of the shape of the plate and the fact that the steel 1/4-20 screw is permanently fixed in place, you can just use your fingers to screw the plate onto your camera, and it's every bit as sturdy as any D-ring would let you do with those old school plates by hand. Plus, it doesn't hurt your fingers like those D-rings can. Additionally, the round plate design allows you to point your camera in the right direction right before you tighten the clamp, and that's without using the pan function of your ball head. The round plate is also a 3/8" adapter and mini riser. That means you can screw it on top of a tripod with no ball head, or maybe screw it onto your platypod, and then you can attach anything from a camera to various accessories like goosenecks or these Lytra lights. The 1/4-20 bolt and the 3/8" threaded socket are a single piece of steel, and steel gives you a much more reliable attachment than aluminum mounts from other manufacturers. One last thing we're not used to seeing on an Arca-compatible mounting plate is a bubble level. And this bubble level is quite precise. To maximize your precision, you just look down through the level and line up the pinhole opening at the bottom of the level as you're looking through it. And that's just one of the great items you'll find in Platypod's new multi-accessory kit. Go to platypod.com for more details.